Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to unfreeze column in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to unfreeze column in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to unfreeze column in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to unfreeze column in Google Sheets. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unfreezing column in Google Sheet is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will unfreeze column in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone. Now in this new screen, first select any sheet you want to edit. Now I will choose this, and here are few columns in my Google Sheets. Now I want to unfreeze column in this sheet. Then first select a column and then click on it. Now click on three dots and then click on unfreeze. And now click on check arrow in the left top corner. And your A column has been unfrozen. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unfreeze column in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.